So I want to make a balsamic mayo. What do we have in here? Alright, a jar of mayo. A little bit of balsamic vinegar. And it tastes like acidic.
Yeah.
Well, let's talk about the elephant in the room. These aren't the real deal. These imitation products don't even come close to what we're looking for. Unfortunately, the solution brings another problem, which is only true, authentic balsamic vinegar is what's going to make this mayo perfect. And I know, depending where you're watching this, it's not only a side quest to try to find this stuff, but when you do, so to get as close as possible to that restaurant vibe and flavor without spending a lot of money, we'll make our own balsamic reduction. Pending our budget, we should get as close to condiment grade as possible. Now, if you can get higher quality stuff or even the real deal, Merry Christmas, I'll catch you later in the video. This is going to be the biggest bang for your buck. It already tastes way more better. And just check the difference in viscosity. Doesn't look as watery as the other stuff. You know what?
Hey, that's pretty good.
This is a real balsamic mayo. That's absolutely delicious. Holy crap.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
good. This is absolutely great, and we can leave it at that. But I know someone who went even further beyond.
So I said, why don't we serve something very provocative? You, amateur, passionate person, just try and express yourself and show me what you can do.
So Massimo Bottura, the GOAT, just uses egg yolks, authentic balsamic vinegar, some grapeseed oil, and blends it with a zang zang.
Really tasty. Perfecta.
And decides to make slider style hamburgers. So naturally, I was inspired. And I made me a fried chicken BLT. If you like this video and subscribe to the channel, the algorithm is going to throw you more of my crazy cooking videos. So thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you in the next one.